how to add Ads.TXT file into Squarespace. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up my Squarespace website, and the first thing that we need to do is we will need to go to Pages, and under Not Linked we will first create a blank page. So click on the plus sign and then select the option for blank page. Now we can call this one Ads and just click anywhere, so it's created, and it's going to look like this. Now select Edit and add a section. The section will be blank, and once we have this section, we'll add a block of text, and you can type anything here, so I'll just do test. Now highlight the text and select this option to link. Now where it says URL, we want to select file, and here's where we will upload our ads.txt file. So just find it and upload it. Now once we have it uploaded, it should be ticked like this, and then it should be added. If we have successfully added it, it's going to look like this. It's going to be highlighted or underlined, sorry. Now after we have created this, we want to save the changes and click on exit. After we have done this, go back home, and here we will select settings from the bottom. Go to developer tools, go to URL mappings, and you want to input this line of code that I have right here. You can just copy it. I can write it as a comment as well if I don't forget. And after we have done this, we should have successfully imported or added an ads.txt file into our Squarespace website. If we save it, we can even go to Pages and delete the page that we just created for ads here, and it should still work. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.